After viewing the video contest entries and also visiting with people in general, it seems like a lot of the composting type products are really becoming a part of many landscapes and gardens. And you can tell just by reading any magazine or newspaper, there's just a ton of different types of products to choose from. Well, in Oklahoma Gardening this season, we've decided to try a little demonstration to kind of compare some of these composting products that are out on the market and really see what kind of pros and cons we can come up with. And really what we're going to try is some of the ones that some of the commercial people have sent us, some of the kits that you can see behind me here, as well as some of the home type composting kits that we've put together ourselves. And some of those maybe are as simple as a trash bag or an old trash can. And then we've got a design for a tumbler in the back as well. Now in this composting demonstration, we're going to talk about a few points that we're going to include through the demonstration. First of all, we'll make sure that our materials are shredded. This is real important to make sure we get the fast breakdown. We'll also be adding soil as our inoculum for our microorganisms to help break down the compost. We'll make sure that they have proper moisture. We'll do frequent turning, probably on a weekly basis. We'll try to keep them covered from rain or any excess moisture, and then also we'll make sure we have proper ventilation. Now after several weeks, we'll be sure and bring you back to a segment where we'll show you the final results of our demonstration as far as the finished product, and we'll also talk about some of these different composting types as far as their pros and cons. So I'd encourage you to stay tuned so you can find out maybe a little bit more about different types of composting procedures.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.